Hello! I'm going to show you how to make your album of textures in a quick and neat way. These are the materials you need. The printed page of album of textures, glue stick, set of squares, all the collection of textures you have previously made, the scissors and the glue stick. All the frames, all the boxes on top of this page, they have the same size. So the idea is to cut out a perfect rectangle on top of this piece of stock paper, and I will trace its contour on top of the textures to make them perfectly equal. So this is why I'm going to use the set of squares. I will make a mark on this stock paper and then making parallel and perpendicular lines. This is my model, and I will make sure all the textures they perfectly fit into the boxes, right? Okay, so the first one I'm going to make is the leaf print. I will take a piece of my leaf print and I will trace the outline. The second one will be the veggie or potato print. This is my potato print. I have already all the scraps of textures, and what I'm going to do is to put some glue stick at the back and I will glue them into the frames. Okay, so this is the dry brush, the splattering and dripping, the frottage. This is the scribbling or doodling. I'm going to glue here a crumpled paper with a beautiful texture and then a plastic net in the last one. These two, the last two, are tactile textures. I won't stick anything on these two because I will draw them directly using the black fine liners. Spread the glue from the center of the paper to the sides and then press firmly. The project is almost done. I'm just going to write on the sides the type of or the procedure to create the texture. So the first two, the leaf print and the veggie or potato print, they both were created stamping or printing. So what I'm going to write on the side is that this is an stamping or printing technique to create a texture. The next two are painting textures, painting techniques to create textures. The frottage was done by rubbing. Cross-hatching, line pattern, and scribbles or doodles, they are drawing textures. All of them are made of lines. The last two, the crumpled piece of paper and the plastic net, they are tactile textures. feel free to use any other materials for these two. This is the collection of textures. Just write your name at the bottom and that's it.